Hi, my name is Cheryl Williams, and I'm the secretary here at Sheffield High School. Today, we're going to talk about how parents and students can log into Powerschool to view schedules. My first step would be for you to have a username and a password. Parents, if you do not remember your username and password, please give me a call at 416-2370. Otherwise, you're just going to log into Powerschool. Students, if you do not know your username and password, please call 416-5300. At that point, you're going to push option 1 for English or Spanish. Then you're going to press option 4 for Powerschool login help. Second step, then you will sign in either using the Powerschool app or scsk12.org. Once you log into either, your schedules will appear. When going in through the scsk12.org app, you will see a colorful P saying Powerschool for Parents. You're going to click on that. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to another screen, which you will see a computer. And under the computer, it says access your account here. You will then click on that link and it will take you to student and parent sign in. Then you will then sign in and it will take you to your schedule. That's going to be the very next screen that pops up. And you will be able to see your schedule and see what classes you are in. If you go through the app, you will first sign in. Your screen is going to look like this. Once you sign in using that username and password, it's going to take you to the dashboard. Then it's going to allow you to click on the link for your schedule. Once you click on that link for your schedule, it will appear here and you will be able to see your schedule. If you need any further assistance, please contact me at 416-2370 or email me at williamcd1@scsk12.org.